How to use Chown to change Linux file ownership. Imagine you have a file on your Linux system that needs to be owned by a different user or group. Maybe you just restored some files or set up a new project. Knowing how to change ownership quickly is a key part of managing your system. Today, we're going to walk through how to use the command called Chown to do just that. In Linux, every file and folder has an owner, which is a user and a group. These determine who can read, write, or execute the file. The Chown command helps you change who owns the file or folder. It's a simple but powerful tool for keeping your system organized and secure. To change the owner of a file, you just type Chown followed by the new owner's username and the file name. For example, if you want to make Alice the owner of a file called report.txt, you would type Chown Alice report.txt. This command needs to be run with root or administrator privileges, so you might need to add sudo in front of it. If you want to change both the owner and the group at the same time, you can do that too. Just type Chown, then the new owner's name, a colon, and the new group name, all without spaces. For example, Chown Alice staff report.txt. This sets Alice as the owner and the group as staff. Sometimes, you want to change the ownership of a whole directory and everything inside it. To do that, add the -letter R after Chown. For example, Chown R Alice, staff projects. This command will change ownership for the directory named projects and all its subfolders and files. You can also change just the group without changing the owner. To do that, type a colon followed by the group name, like Chown developers report.txt. This only updates the group ownership. Before and after you run Chown, you can check who owns a file by using the ls-l command. It lists files with details about the owner and group. This helps you verify that your changes went through. Understanding Linux permissions is important because ownership affects who can access or modify files. Changing ownership with Chown helps you control who has access, especially in multi-user environments. It's useful when transferring files between users or fixing permissions after backups. Remember, always use Chown carefully. Changing ownership incorrectly can cause access issues or security risks. Use the command with the right privileges and double-check the file names and owners. With a little practice, Chown becomes a handy tool for managing your Linux system's security and organization.